Watson on Friday informed that the Delhi High Court that is decided to temporarily but its privacy policy on hold till the data protection bill comes into force. Government has asked to shut down the policy. We have said we will not enforce data protection bill comes out. This is the open-ended because we don't know when the bill is going to come out. We have said that we will not do this for a while. Suppose the bills allow me to do it, we will have completely different ramifications. Senior advocate Haris Salve made the submission on behalf of WhatsApp. Relaxing near his field in Punjab, Bagha Puran, where he has recently shown paddy. Ajit Singh says he has sold his entire last 2 produce of wheat and paddy to the government at the minimum support price. Still, he is leading a protest in Moga district against the 3 firms law, saying they must be scrapped. Traveling across the Malwa region of Punjab, the farmer issued throes of curious paradox since the new farm law were brought last year and were then stayed by Supreme Court. The last 2 seasons of crop procurement in Punjab have seen the highest ever purchase on MSP. Single shots of Pfizer, BioNTech and AstraZeneca COVID-19 vaccine barely offered any protection against Delta virus. A new study has found, according to the report published in Hindustan Times, sera from individuals having received 1 dose of Pfizer and AstraZeneca vaccine barely inhibited variant Delta. A group of French researchers said in an article published in journal Nature on Thursday, administration of 2 doses generated a neutralizing response in 95% of individuals, said Oliver Secord, the lead author of the study. He is also the head of Virus and Immunity Unit at Pasteur Institute in Paris. Union Food Processing Minister Pasupati Kumar Paras on Thursday said he is the real political successor of his late brother Ram Vilas Paswan and not Chirag Paswan, who may be a claimant to his father's asset. After the death of Ram Vilas Paswan last year, a factional feud started in Lok Janshakti Party between Paras and Paswan's son Chirag Paswan, with both sides now claiming to represent the party. LJP was founded by Ram Vilas Paswan. Monday, after a video of tourists floating COVID-19 norms and Mussoorie Kempty Fall went viral, officials announced only 50 visitors will be allowed to bath with a minimum permissible time of 30 minutes. The district administration has taken the decision in view of COVID-19 pandemic. District Magistrate Eva Ashish Srivastava said there will be a time limit of 30 minutes for each bather. She added, adding an air horn will be used to signal the exit time. The order came a day after viral videos showed a large number of tourists bathing at the falls without wearing masks or maintaining social distance norm.